can write that the greenhouse effect, it is the rise in temperature the rise in temperature that the earth experiences because of certain gases that are present in the atmosphere. Greenhouse effect, it is the rise of temperature that the earth experiences because of certain gases that are present in the atmosphere. The gases are greenhouse gases. First, water vapor, which you cannot eliminate. It's a natural phenomenon. Carbon dioxide. We exhale carbon dioxide, the natural phenomena. Nitrous oxide. Ozone. Methane. Etc. Etc. means I do not know. The gases are water vapor, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, ozone, methane, etc. These are the gases. Now, so we can say, how do we say this? The sunlight enters the atmosphere of the earth and passes through the greenhouse gases present. Present in the atmosphere. So as it reaches the Earth's surface, the sun ray received by the Earth, there is a particular technical name is there. It's called insolation. Sunlight enters the atmosphere of the Earth and passes through the greenhouse gases present in the atmosphere. As it reaches the Earth's surface, land water, biosphere absorb the sun's energy. Once this energy is absorbed, it is sent back to space atmosphere and space while some energy is passed back into space, some remain in the atmosphere due to the
Sir, someone's waiting.
yes. Osani is waiting. Somebody else. Osani. Yeah. So while some energy is passed back into space, some remain in the atmosphere due to the presence of these greenhouse gases. This results in the temperature rise of the earth. Some remain in the atmosphere due to the presence of these greenhouse gases. This results in the temperature rise in the earth. So, what is the consequence? Consequence everybody knows. That consequence that there's a atmosphere, the weather is changing, the season you can find either it is heavy rain or no rain. There's an extreme fluctuation of the weather conditions that is happening because of the greenhouse effects, because of the presence of the gases. So, also there are a lot of environmental studies are being taking place as to what exactly is the environmental I mean, what do we say that the environmental impact assessment has been done in various countries, and because of the climatic changes, what is the effect on the biosphere, on the human being or the other living beings? What are the species that are getting extinct because of the extreme weather conditions and all? So, those things also we have to discuss, and we have to take a measure as to how to curb this greenhouse emission. How to curb the greenhouse emission is only possible when we know that what are the causes of the greenhouse emission. Some of the causes we cannot eliminate. For example, we are taking oxygen, we are releasing carbon dioxide. We cannot eliminate this one. We can only eliminate if the human beings are eliminated from the earth, then it's fine. Otherwise, not. So, because our respiratory system is like that we need oxygen for our respiration, and this oxygen and the carbon dioxide we are releasing. But in case of the trees, it is the reverse that is happening. Whatever you are exhaling, the tree is inhaling that. The carbon dioxide is being inhaled by the trees and they are releasing oxygen. So that's why, in order to understand this mechanism, we took hundreds of years. Not that we did not understand, but we did not take any action. We thought that we can merrily cut down the trees and we can still hope to survive. Only when the situation got alarmed, then only there is a Kyoto Protocol, this protocol, that protocol, and everybody, then Greta Thunberg, all these episodes started surfacing on the earth. So anyway, the greenhouse effect we have sufficiently we have discussed. However, this greenhouse effect is also very important. For example, if all the energy is being radiated out, whatever is absorbed, if all the energy is being absorbed, is radiated out from from the atmosphere, then it will not have, we will not have the right kind of temperature for the lives to flourish. Let me write this down. Greenhouse effect of course is important for lives on this planet to flourish. Because we need a certain temperature in order. Greenhouse effect, of course, is important for the lives on this planet to flourish because we need certain temperature to be maintained. Certain temperature to be maintained so that lives get proper environment somebody is waiting. So that lives get proper environment to grow. Page number 2 plus. In other words, the analogy can be drawn like this. Something which is a source of life, if it is not handled properly, it can cause the destruction of life also. For example, all of us know that this electricity makes our life so much easier, so comforts and conveniences. If you don't handle the electricity well, if you put two of your fingers onto the positive and negative terminal, you get a shock of your life. So it may take your life also. So therefore, something which is making our life can also take our life if it is not handled properly. So that's why greenhouse effect is required. Certain amount of energy contention is required by the earth in order for the lives to grow. But at the same time, if it is too much, if it is too much of a greenhouse effect, that means the temperature of the earth increases. Very I think what we will do is that 44, we discuss about the class test now and the syllabus. Now we discuss about the class test and the syllabus. Number 2 agenda today is discussion on syllabus for class test, discussion for syllabus for class test and type of questions. Syllabus for class test. Module 1. Module 1. So in module 1, what we have discussed, I have just collected more or less all the class notes that we at various places I have scribbled. So I have to dig out from the history, what all things I have done. So let me go through the syllabus part first. You can see, I can show you the syllabus. I'm just showing you the syllabus. Okay, let me write it down. Okay. So let me read it out. What are the syllabus? Module number 1, components of the environment. Basic idea of ecology and environment, concepts related to environmental perspective, man, society, environment, and their interrelationship. In this case, I would मॉड्यूल नंबर 1 का the first पहला हिस्सा जो है, there's a very important question which is my favorite question. Entropy of the universe increases. This is a statement. Entropy of the universe increases. Explain what it means in the light of ecology or environmental. studies. This is one of my favorite question. I have amply described also. The entropy is basically a thermodynamic principle that we have already, I think two classes we have discussed about the entropy. Well, apart from that, we have in the module number 1, growth mathematics we have taught. ग्रोथ मैथमेटिक्स में उसमें component exponential growth and some few problems also we did. I have not sent you those notes. I have collected this one. I hope to send by Saturday evening. Hopefully by Saturday evening, most of the notes will be sent to you. So growth mathematics also we have discussed. We have discussed environmental impact assessment.
স্যার
বলো।
স্যার যখন নোটগুলো দেবেন একটু গুগল ক্লাসরুমে দিয়ে দেবেন।
তুমি তো বলেছো তো, তুমি তো অলরেডি বলেছো, আই হ্যাভ অলরেডি কমপ্লাইড।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ স্যার, না একবার রিমাইন্ড করে দিলাম যদি ভুলে যান তাই।
না না, ভুলে যাব না, ইটস অ্যান অর্ডার ফ্রম ইউ। I have received an order from you, so therefore how can I forget?
না না স্যার, অর্ডার না।
না না, অর্ডার মানে আমি তোমাকে বলছি না যে কমান্ডিং অর্ডার, মানে মানে কোম্পানি রিসিভ করে না অর্ডার,
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।
he has got an order of few thousand crores. Okay, so like that, I have received an order from you, I have to execute. So I have already complied. I have created Google Classroom. I have already, I think I have posted one class note there itself. Right? Okay. Environmental impact assessment. This chapter is also very important. For your information, this is it has been decided that there will be no objective type of questions this time. There will be no objective type questions this time. So therefore, collecting the answers in the classroom is probably ruled out. Yeah. So environmental impact assessment we have discussed. Environmental degradation. And then we have discussed also primary pollutants and secondary pollutants. Definition and example you are expected to know. Then environmental degradation. Those who are staying away from the class, probably I do not know how will they manage. I mean, if they manage the notes over here, it's fine, because environmental engineering, ecology and environmental engineering is a huge subject. Therefore, we shall, if you try to read from books, মানে ব্যাটে বলেই হবে না, মানে actually it is better that whatever focus we are directing onto this subject, whatever I am teaching, only that part if you do it, it's fine. I am not marketing my class notes. I am only telling that in order to make your life simple, it is better that whatever I have, you take a help of whatever I have taught, and then you can explore your knowledge further. I have no issues about that. But at least do whatever little notes I am preparing and give it to you. At least try to concentrate on this. Then we have environmental impact assessment, then the emission standards. Emission standard. I mean, all these things are actually is a part of the module one only. So module one आप अगर ठीक से कर लिए तो ठीक है, और module two उसमें we shall discuss about, we have discussed already air pollution and control. And
Sir? Hello.
yeah, just a moment. Let me, हाँ बोलो, okay.
Sir, your paper is not visible properly. Can you lift it up?
हाँ. Sorry, भाई. Sorry. Sorry. Air pollution and control, this we have done. Then depletion of ozone layer versus PFC, chlorofluorocarbons. Then we have discussed today greenhouse effect. In module 2, only this much. There are many things there in the module 2 which I have not covered. So up to this point would be your syllabus. Module 1 entirely and module 2 this much we shall discuss. Okay. The questions will be, there will be 3 questions, A, B, C, 5-5, 5-5, 5-5 format, or 5-2-3. 5-2-3 is 10 marks. 5 into 2 maybe question number 2, like that format. It's a various combination, but not the short question, like the objective type of questions will not be there. And anything else would you like to talk about today? Anything else? If you have got any question or any, it's an easy subject. Only thing is that although it is an easy subject, but at the same time, the clarity of thought, clarity of perception is extremely important. Then if you, I think it will be easier for you to write the examination if you, I mean, it's a very simple subject. Only thing is that of course, one problem I shall set, that is for certain, 5 marks, so one problem on growth, which we have discussed. Not in the same format, but it may be in a different this thing. One problem will be there. 5 marks, one problem will be there in one of the questions. If you do not have any question, then I would like to end the class here itself for today. We will meet on, can we meet tomorrow? No. Okay, leave it. We'll meet on Monday. We'll discuss other issues if you have. Meanwhile, I have collected all my scribblings. For example, this is the last class, I think, and the last class we have talked about is this air quality permissible limits and all. This we have done, this I have taken out, and this I'll send it to you. Then air pollution, growth mathematics. This is the growth mathematics we were talking about. These are the formula. This is the formulae. this I have not sent it to you, but I'll just whatever possible जो नाइसली रिटन किया हुआ है वो हम तुरंत भेज दे रहे हैं, वो हमने वो गूगल क्लासरूम में अपलोड कर देंगे, और जो नहीं है उसको थोड़ा सा फेयर करके भाई अपलोड कर देंगे. Is it all right?